Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix the GCash app when it won't open or a game inside the app won't load. First, go to the login screen and tap Forgot MPIN. Tap Send Code and enter the 6-digit code sent to your phone via SMS. If you don't get the code, wait 15 minutes and try again. Make sure you have a strong signal, your SMS inbox isn't full, and your app is updated. Complete the security check and then set a new MPIN. If you see a "something went wrong" error with a code starting with 0A7, wait 24 hours before trying again. Sometimes the app may detect security issues on your phone, which can prevent it from opening or running games. After following these steps, your GCash app should open and work normally. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with what you want to learn next.